So this picture represents an atom, and you need to know that an atom consists of two parts. It has a nucleus and it has electrons, protons and neutrons. Protons, which are positively charged, and neutrons, which have no charge, make up the nucleus. The electrons are tiny negatively charged particles that orbit, as you can see, the nucleus. So each of these orbits are called shells, and the shells are represented by the letters K through Q. And as you can see, each one, it's getting either closest to the nucleus or it's going further apart from the nucleus. Obviously, those shells that are orbiting closer to the nucleus are going to have higher levels of energy. And as you start to go further and further away from the nucleus, those are going to have less or low energy. So what helps to keep these electrons sort of balanced or maintained in their orbits is through electrostatic force. And that electrostatic force is due to the negative of the electron plus the positive of the proton that helps to kind of keep it sustained along this orbit. So that attraction between the two actually creates a binding energy. And that binding energy is determined by the distance between the nucleus and the orbits. So obviously the closest the shell is to the nucleus, the higher energy level it's going to have. And as it gets further and further away from the nucleus, the least amount of energy that it's going to have.